This 2018 Dodge Charger is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Super Track Pack Black Top Appearance Package 3.6 LV6 engine 8-speed automatic transmission keyless and tri-keyless start power trunk open air adjustable steering wheel power windows power door locks white knuckle exterior black interior Dodge floor mats balance of factory Dodge warranty. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are next satisfied. Online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2018 Dodge Charger SXT Plus Super Track Pack is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve the right to withdraw and terminate any vehicle listed. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.